Hey, what's going on, folks? My name is Lucas from Lefevre Solutions. We're a marketing agency based out of Jacksonville, Florida, and I want to share with you how you can ultimately spy on any Facebook advertiser, any Instagram advertiser, see exactly what your competitors are marketing on, what kind of ads they're pushing, and how long they've been running. So this is really easy to do, and we're just going to start by going to Google, and we're going to search Facebook Ads Library. And what this is going to do is pull up a resource that's now available to us after the Cambridge Analytica scandal. Ultimately, what happened was after Cambridge Analytica, it was a big political, there was a lot of different misuse of political ads on these social networks. So Facebook themselves were issued to be a lot more transparent about advertisers. And so to our benefit, we can now see what any single page is running on Facebook Messenger, on WhatsApp, on Facebook Marketplace, on Instagram, on their audience network, every kind of platform your competitors might be advertising on that's owned under the umbrella of Facebook, we can now see that. So to start, you're just going to go to the Facebook ad library. For this example, I'm just going to search up Grant Cardone, and a lot of times local companies are not going to probably show up here, so I have an alternative method to do that, to see a smaller page what ads they're running. This resource here normally just pulls in a lot larger brands, and it a lot of times doesn't show local business. So if the brand shows up here, great. And if not, I'm going to show you a quick alternative way to do that. Make sure that you're tabbed on all ads. And now we can see what kind of creatives he's using, what kind of copy he's written. We can see every single part of the ad. And most importantly, where that ad is currently running. So we can see what placements that ad is on, if it's on Audience Network, Messenger, Facebook. So we can kind of get an idea of where is he getting most of his conversions from. And we can actually see the start date too. So we scroll down, it's going to show us by newest to oldest. So we can actually see what ads have been running for a long time. We can see a lot of great information here. We can filter by impressions, by date. And there's a lot of great resources here that we can use to our benefit as a Facebook advertiser to generate leads, to get just inspiration. So this is how you would do it if you wanted to look at a large brand, because they're likely going to show up here. But alternatively, we're just going to go right to Facebook. We're going to search up Grant Cardone again, because if you're looking up a local business, this is the same way it's going to show up. So you go to that local business's page, and what you're going to do here is you're going to scroll down on this left-hand side. You're going to find a section that's called Page Transparency. From there, we're going to scroll down a little bit further to ads from this page. It's going to tell us, is that page currently running ads? If it is, it'll display this. And if it's not, it'll just say, this page is not currently advertising. And we can go to the ad library by clicking here. It's going to show us the same information I had just shared on the different page. And this is it. This is it. We can see every single ad. We can see where they're pointing the traffic. So in the case of this, the 10X Growth Conference ad, we can click see ad details, and we can see the page that they're sending the traffic to. We can click learn more, and we can actually see the exact landing page that they're pointing the traffic to. This is really great information, and I hope that you use it to better yourself as a Facebook advertiser. If you want me to run your ads for you and handle all of your social media buying, help you with making ads, help you edit videos, ultimately generate a lot more customers for you, go ahead, click the link below, message me directly, or just go to lefevresolutions.com. I'd be happy to help. Talk soon, guys.